How to manually calculate the square root of a number. Despite the fact that nowadays we are in the age of technology and almost every operation is carried out with computers or calculators, it is important to understand the traditional method of calculating the square root of a number, similarly to other operations we have explained in the first chapter of this course. At first glance, the method used to manually calculate the square root of a number looks very similar to division by hand already explained in the first chapter. Let's explain how to find the square root step by step. We are going to consider only perfect squares, i.e. numbers that have their square root a natural number. For example, let's take the number 729 for illustration. The calculator gives the square root of 729 is equal to 27. Step 1. Split the original number into pairs from right to left. The first digit may end up alone, but this is okay. We have the following shown on screen. Step 2. Take the closer, smaller, square root of the leftmost chunk. Here, the closest square root of 7 is 2, and write it on a separate section, similar to the one used to write the quotient in the division. We have the following shown on screen. Step 3. The number obtained is squared and the result is written in the previous original chunk considered. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. Step 4. Then, we subtract the new number from the original chunk, like in division. We have the following shown on screen. Step 5. Now, we write the other pair next to the remainder. Another thing that we do in this step is to double the number found at the beginning. 2 times 2 is equal to 4, as this number will be used in the next step. Since here 2 times 2 corresponds to 22 minus an operation we did in the third step, we have not written this operation, 2 times 2, but normally, it must be done. We have the following shown on screen. Step 6. Now, we must find a suitable digit, which in this case must be the unit digit of the two numbers in the operation 4 times equals 329. In our case, the number required is 7 because 47 times 7 is equal to 329. This number is written next to 2 in the upper right section. The complete outline of the operation is shown next, where all steps are highlighted in different colors. We have the following shown on screen. Example. Manually calculate the following square roots. A. Square root of 2809. B. Square root of 11236. Solution. The complete outline of the operation is shown next, where all steps are highlighted in different colors. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. B. Again, the complete outline of the operation is shown in the following, where all steps are highlighted in different colors. We have the following shown on screen. Thus, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 7.2.4, and the end of tutorial 7.2. To continue this chapter, please watch 7.3, Introduction to Standard Form. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.